No one told you fries were never just food. They were engineered, measured, repeated, not to feed you, but to train you. Think about it. Same shape, same color, same salt, everywhere. Airports, schools, hospitals, highways. Consistency is not comfort. Consistency is control. Crispy outside, soft inside. That contrast is not accidental. Your brain loves predictability. Your dopamine loves repetition. You're not craving fries, you're craving certainty. Notice when fries appear. With friends, with celebration, with stress, they're never alone. They're always shared. Fries are not food. They are social glue. You think you chose them, but every option around them pushes you toward the same thing. Freedom isn't choosing fries. Freedom is noticing the pattern. No one told you fries were a lesson. About habit, about design, about you. Until now. No one told you